Honey, I'm home. Go yell at your son! Hold on, I just got home. Why do you want me to? Don't question me! He did something bad, that's all you need to know! Oh, hey, Dad. Hey, son, what's up, champ? Mom told you to do something, didn't she? Yeah, she just told me I have to yell at you, or... Why? I don't know, she didn't tell me! Alright, well, get it over with before she comes in, okay? Okay, never done this before, but here goes. Listen here, you little, ruffian. You suck at this. You better be yelling at him! Okay, well, it's kind of hard to do that when I don't know what he did wrong. He got an A- on his math test today. You gotta be kidding me. I know, right? He should have gotten an A+ like I expect. No, I mean, you expect me to yell at him over an A-? What's next? You want him to cure cancer or something, huh? No, I actually expected him to do that 5 years ago. But did he? No, you know what? I'm going to bed. Figure this out yourselves because I'm done. You wanted me to cure cancer?